I've been birding for about 6 years now, and I've had an interesting variety of birds pass through my backyard. However, the one that is most surprising to me happened also to be one of the most common bird types in North America. These are dark-eyed juncos of the Oregon subspecies. I see them in my yard almost every day. Then one day, I saw this guy. It certainly is a dark-eyed junco, but it has unusual white plumage. After a bit of research, I discovered that this bird's condition is called leucism. It is a fascinating and beautiful phenomenon, yet is terribly understudied. Here's what we do know about it. Leucism, in its simplest definition, is when an animal loses coloration where they're not supposed to. This can manifest in many different ways. An animal is leucistic whether they have only a little bit of white or if they are completely pale, or their pelt may be lighter colored than it should be. However, it is worth noting that leucism is not the same as the more widely known, yet far less common condition of albinism. While leucistic animals are sometimes called partial albinos, they are two separate conditions. This is because of the mechanism behind them. To understand how leucism works, it is important to understand how animals' coloration works. Most animals get their colors from pigments. While there are many types of pigments that make up the broad spectrum of animal coloration, the one related to leucism is called melanin. It makes up black, brown, and reddish-brown tones. Melanin, unlike most other pigments, can be synthesized in the animal's body. Leucism is when an organism does not have the ability to produce melanin, though they're often not fully colorless due to other pigments and areas of the pelt functioning correctly. So, what exactly goes wrong for leucism to occur? There are many ways this could happen, but most common is for an overactivation of tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is an enzyme that plays many important functions in the cell, one of which is acting to limit the rate of melanin production. Leucism can have genetic, environmental, and lifestyle causes. For some, they inherited genes that gave them faulty tyrosinase. Others became leucistic due to their environment. Many types of pollution can cause leucism by forming free radicals that damage genetic material. Yet another way that leucism develops is from the animal's life experiences. Malnutrition can cause leucism, as can close encounters with predators. The impact that leucism has on affected organisms is debated among researchers. Anyone with a basic understanding of natural selection may assume that leucism decreases the fitness of an organism by making them more conspicuous to predators or ostracized by their kind. Yet multiple studies show that leucism seems to have no effect on the fitness of an animal. It has even been shown to be beneficial in a few cases. I hope you find leucism as interesting as I do. If you keep an eye out, you may see an animal with leucism for yourself.